सो यू कैन सी कभी ऐसा हुआ है इंजन गर्म है 50 किलोमीटर ट्रेन पे चला के आए हम लोग। अब मैं देखो आराम से मेरा इंजन पकड़ रहा हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड का।
Jule
Hey,
is watching me.
Julie,
Hello.
hello, Julie.
Hi. Hi. Thank you. मैं लेके मार्केट।
You've been knocked down and got up again. In a corner, you're surrounded, no defenders. You've hid your fury and kept it in. But it's time.
Right now we are at the Lala's Cafe, and this cafe is renowned here for its heritage, and this is standing here strong and tidy for past 400 years. So they have plenty of things. We have tried kava, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that was kava, right? Yeah. And she gave us we also had some banana. What is it called? Banana?
Cream crab.
It was a banana cream wrap or wrap? Crab. Okay. And you gave us a chocolate muffin.
Coffee chocolate.
Yeah, coffee chocolate. What do you call it?
Cake.
Yeah, she gave us a beautiful coffee chocolate. We have finished it. So it was so yummy that we forgot to vlog it before we show it to you guys. And they have also handmade woolen. This is
Socks.
Socks, and you have some caps and a beautiful tiaras or bandanas. I don't know what you call this. And they've got lot of good stuff. These are for sale or for display, ma'am?
Yeah.
This for sale?
Yeah.
Yeah. How much is this one? 100 rupees. It's very cheap, and it's all handmade, right?
Yeah.
All right. So these are all handmade. You should, whoever is visiting to Leh, don't forget it. Old City is next to the Leh Palace. There's something called Lala's Cafe, and you will be mesmerized with the heritage over here. So
Lala's Cafe. Wow.
You burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire.
right now we are at the Leh city, and at the Leh city you can find a beautiful mosque. This mosque is known as Jamia Masjid Leh Ladakh, and this mosque is made out of a special wood called the poplar wood. This poplar wood is only available here, I feel. So you can see the minar over there and the clock, beautiful clock on the top. I have never seen such kind of mosque design anywhere in my life. I've been to several countries, but nothing like this. And you can see the city and the streets of city. So संवाददाता समान के साथ कैमरामैन जबीर, कैमरामैन चेंज हो गया, अभी संवाददाता भी मैं हूँ, तो समान के चैनल पे हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं. सो दिस इज़ अ फैंटास्टिक प्लेस, यू गाइज हैव टू विजिट ओवर हियर. और सब समान के कहाँ जाते भाई, सब सामान को सब्सक्राइब करो, फॉलो करो और ढेर सारा प्यार दो. बहुत मेहनत करता है, रात 4-4 बजे बैठ के, मेरे से तो नहीं होता है.
वो आर्ट बॉटल्स के साथ कैप्स, बॉटल्स और ट्रेडिशनल्स. क्या है भाई ये? हाँ? फ्लोर पानी. South Indian food है. This restaurant is all traditional. It's looking very good. ordered?
Done.
You transform right up in a flash.
Magnetic Hills.
Magnetic Hills, which is 20,000 feet above the ground level, if I'm not wrong, Saman.
Yeah.
Yeah. And from there, where are we going?
Kardungla.
Kardungla Pass, and it's the biggest motor highway. So we have got my helmet, and the Enfield is over there. Let's see, we are three of us, me, Saman, and Saud. And so this is our bike. You can see. So we have two colors, orange and blue.
मुझे यहाँ से जा सकते हैं बाइक आना घर घर करके चल जाए
Get ready for First 2 Electric Boogaloo. You see the truth behind the veil, and you know that they're just looking for attention. Oh, you don't let the ruthlessness
कितने में ले रहते हैं? कम रहते हैं? 15 रहेंगे कि? We have come for a petrol station where we'll fill our tank. इधर दिखा already petrol है, पता नहीं. It's filled. If you have no idea about bikes, it's first time I'm going for a bike ride after the. So petrol तो full दिख रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी सऊद भाई बोल रहे हैं कि 300 का डालेंगे. तो बड़े लोगों की बात सुनना करके.
अजी फ़ोन पे है
हाँ जी,
फ़ोन पे गूगल पे कुछ है
हम तो नहीं रहे।
नहीं है
क्या सोचते हैं?
We had short of cash, petrol, short of cash. So we have gone for ATM to collect some cash. So we are at the Leh walking street. Sort of-
Phoenix, you burst in a fire, burn a thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings.
What a beautiful view! Whoa! Wow! First time in my life I'm traveling something like this. What a view, man! What a view! Swarga gadu, swarga, swarga,
ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ
ओके अभी हम लोग 13,000 फीट पे हैं हम लोग अभी.
So this is called a Leh viewpoint. So we are at a Leh viewpoint which is 15,000 feet above the sea level, and you can see the nature. The mother nature is so beautiful. I can see the ice caps over there. I can see the mountains. I can see greenery, houses, and a barren mountain over here. And someone jaldi leke jaldi. And see this beauty of mother nature. Woo! Woo!
A thirst and desire. You transform right up in a flash. You spread your wings.
You guys, Swarga ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ come to me.
A thirst and desire.
Someone just reminded me of this, and we have to climb more 7,000 feet in 30 kilometers. Imagine the tweaks and turns which we are gonna ride now. 7,000 feet above the sea level. We are at
13,000.
13,000.
Now.
We will have to go around 19,000. So we have 6,000 feet to be climbed in just 30 kilometers. So you can understand the terrain. How is it going? And we have to climb all the way like this. So hope you guys will love this, and we are really enjoying, and you should also come here and
Know that they're just looking for attention.
वहां से पकड़।
Light up in a flash, you spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
Everybody, ya to porque
You transform. Light up in a flash, you spread your wings to rise from the ashes.
fan लोग इधर देखिए. You check this out. We have traveled more than 40 kilometers and you guys have an idea how hot the engine is. देखो, we are at the peak. थोड़ा दिखाओ यार, नज़ारा दिखाओ. So we are at the peak mountain, should be somewhere around 16,000 feet high. So you can see कभी ऐसा हुआ है, इंजन गर्म है, 50 किलोमीटर टेरेन पे चला के आए हम लोग. अब मैं देखो आराम से मेरा इंजन पकड़ रहा हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड का. भाई, I have never experienced it. Last time when I traveled on it was not even 20 kilometers. You can see my shoes got burnt off. It's literally shining here. And इधर 50 किलोमीटर चला गया. I can heat my hand with this. I really don't understand. And it's fucking freezing cold. You can see now I'm already wearing inners inside. Thermals. I'm wearing a jacket, hoodie. And now it's so cold that I will need another jacket. I cannot bear this cold anymore. So I'm going for another jacket, a tribute to Indian Army. Indian Army welcomes you, or Indian Oil welcomes you. I don't know what is that.
पेट्रोल बंक है शायद.
Like a phoenix, you burst in a fire burn. A thirst.
सर ग्लोव्स है किधर है? अंदर. हाँ किधर? अंदर है.
आप जाके आगे आ रहे हैं. हाँ, कितने बजे निकले थे?
हाँ, यहाँ से 30 मिनट है.
हाँ
हाँ.
Electric Boogaloo. You see the truth.
Beautiful snow mountains. You can see the ice capping what we're looking out over here. There. Now we are closing by. I guess the temperature is -degrees now, and we are experiencing. So we are right now such a beautiful place, really guys. I am not lying. You are witnessing the actual adventure and actual beauty of nature. You can see the rocks at one side and the beautiful snow-capped mountains on the other side, and I have never experienced this in any time. Even I'm shivering right now. I'm not getting my words. My lips, my breath is getting held up. So such a lovely place. Real, it's a swarga. And I love this bumpy roads than the tar roads, the flavor finished roads. This bumpy road gives me a beautiful off-road feel along with the nature. Wow, what a feeling, It's great. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.
We have reached the destination. ये क्या है साहब? ये अंडा पेटीज है और सामान भाई अपना अपना बच्चा अंडर एज बच्चे की सामान। आप अभी 19,000 फीट के ऊपर हो। व्हाट डू यू फील?
कॉफी।
आई नो यू आर फीलिंग कॉफी का मन। व्हाट डू यू फील मन? कॉफी पी रहे तो कॉफी का ही फील आएगा ना, दारू का थोड़ी फील आएगा। I feel good. He feels good. What do you feel? अरे ये तो अपना बहादुर के जैसा दिख रहे थे। सलाम साहब।
सलाम।
कैसे साहब?
देखिए साहब बकरा है।
बकरा है साहब, बकरा नहीं टाइगर है साहब।
टाइगर है साहब।
So as I said, it was on a mirror mode. I'll show you the. Right now we are 17,982 feet above the sea level. I was wrong. It was not 20,000. It is 17, to be precise, 17,982 feet above the sea level. I guess I have achieved enough. So hope to see you guys come here and people are taking pictures. So Sishan warriors are patrolling here. You can see some of the bunkers and camps over here. There are mountains, and this is Kardungla motocross. So I was wrong. It was not 20,000 feet. It is 17,952 feet to be precise. So you can keep it as 18,000. So I'll just take. Yeah. So here is Saul enjoying the view. Oh, it's pretty beautiful. It's amazing. It is really great. It's lovely and whoa! You can see the snow over here. See, Saman, ye pakadna. In the wind, this people say this is not winters. I don't know what winters are. Then winters, they say you will have snow 3 to 4 feet on this level, and everything will be closed. So you can see now, you still have snow over here. So you can see this. This is all snow. No, I'm not. You can see this. Yeah. Oh, to be frank, I've never seen snow in my life. This is first time I'm coming across the snow. अब बैंगलोर के स्नो वर्ल्ड को गया था मैं कभी। समन, whoa! So they say this is summer, it's not winter. So I don't know what is winter over here. It's all snow. Whoa. Beautiful terrain. Amazing. We are 17,952 feet above the sea level. Again, I want to repeat, it's 17,952 feet. And I'm feeling suffocation, and because they said इधर नाच नहीं सकते. The more you dance, the more you make some activities, the oxygen content goes down. I'm feeling that, but it's worth it. क्या कुदरत का करिश्मा है यार. I don't know. I don't have words. See the blue, clean blue sky, no pollution.
Things to rise from the ashes. You burst in